So in this Inkscape tutorial, I will be showing you guys how to arch text here on Inkscape. So once Inkscape's opened up, if I were to go here and just type in the word text, just like that, I will then center it and make it a little bit smaller. And this actually works out the best is if your text is fairly long like that. So I'm going to go ahead and have my text like that. Once that is done, select your text, go to the top, select path, select object to path. Once again, go up, select path, and then select path effects. Once the text is selected still, go to this drop down right here and then select envelope deformation. Once you're here, select bottom bend path. Now once you're here, you have this green line at the bottom. What I want you to do is actually highlight it so that both these nodes down here are blue. Once that is done, select Control on your keyboard, grab the nodes, and then simply just slide it up like that. And as you can tell, it now makes it work. So I'm actually going to go back here and I'm going to try that again. So I'm going to make it up just like that. And then I'm going to go ahead and press path, object to path, and then move the text like that. So there you go. You've now made this more of like an arch effect, which is pretty cool. But that is how you guys can make a text or make an arch text or make a text arched here on Inkscape. Thanks again for watching and hope this helps.